to redo this whole thing. There we go. Empty candles. What are we gonna do here? Okay, just got back from Home Depot. Picked up some of this and some corners for this and just some stain and some things. So I'm gonna build this out all in one piece. Let's do it. Big shout out to Brenda's dad, Mike, for letting us use his space. Very kind of him. Alright, so you can see now it's one nice piece. Gonna have a little something right here. But I'm gonna do that once all of this is put together. I'm gonna use this corner to kind of screw everything together, and that way it's all held together like that. So I gotta make some cuts of this. Alright, sorry I screwed up. I've never cut a 45 before, so I have no freaking clue what I'm doing. But I did realize I should just be using this square piece instead of this corner piece, because I was going to use the corner piece backwards, and that's just not going to work. So I'm going to use this instead and hope for the best. So I'm going to go like this. Alright, there's one side. So I just roughly screwed together for now, and then eventually be filled in with pieces like that. That will hold it together and make it more sturdy. Alright, there we go. Alright, look at that. There it is. See what it looks like in its home. It's backwards. It goes in this way. There it is. Oof. Yes. That's nice. Next, these pieces. Do I do those or not? This is the question. Or do I just finish it off? Like so. Alright, we are burning the midnight oil, as they say. I'm super impressed by this right now. I even got a little 45 right here. Things are going great. Got to figure out something over here, but that'll happen. That'll happen when it needs to happen. For now, this transition right here, I'm going to drill it into this, so that way it's held still. I already made a cut here for over here, and I just have to get it at the right length now. Here we go. I'm not really a perfectionist. I'm actually usually more of like a rough, sloppy kind of person. So this is actually pretty cool, like really actually trying to like make something nice. Let's glue it up. Alrighty. forgot to hit record. This thing is dark. Should match my dark aesthetic.
They put you to work, huh?
Yeah.
She said enough of the filming. It's time to work.
Oh well, luckily it's my work.
Well, it's your work. This for your van?
Yeah. Yep.
So where are you from?
Chicago.
Chicago.
Yep.
You just go all over the place?
I travel full time, filming for various clients of mine.
That's pretty cool, man.
So yeah, I'm just kind of sitting still here in Portland before I have to go to Washington to film for about a week.
That's where you're headed?
Yeah.
Which part of Washington?
This Anderson Island, which is kind of by Tacoma, right there in the Sound. This dude lives on just a little island. You take a boat to it every day. It's kind of crazy.
Wow. Yeah, we went to, Orca Island and some other islands over there?
Oh yeah, the San Juans.
Yeah, it was pretty cool.
Yeah, I need to go to San Juan's real bad.
How long you been doing this on the road?
Be 3 years in May.
You like it, huh?
I love it.
That's awesome.
Being in the house reminds me of how much I prefer just being outside and in
That's
nature and all those other things. And
cool.
this is all for my YouTube channel and stuff.
Do it while you can while you're young, man.
Yep, that's the plan.
Just stay at campgrounds?
No, I stay out in public land and in the woods mainly, desert.
You don't have to pay anywhere?
Nope, it's all public land. It's your land, it's my land, it's everyone's
Really?
land. It's America's
So you don't
land.
have to worry about internet though?
I don't know. I got a hotspot that one of my clients pays for, and everywhere I pretty much camp at is next to a city, even though it's like in the woods, and there's still signal everywhere.
Nice chatting with you.
I gotcha. Here we are. Pretty slick. Too bad it's a dirty mess in the rest of my van, but, you know, these things happen. I'm liking it, though. There she is. Alright, I'm gonna hit this thing with some poly. I noticed with the stain already put on here, it's like a matte finish, so everything's sticking to it, which you don't want. So, poly it up. It's always interesting talking to the camera when people walk by and they're like, "What is he doing?" Talking to my camera. Really, I'm talking to you. Thanks for watching. Hopefully you like what you're seeing. If you do, let me know. If you don't, let me know. God, those dogs are barking their heads off up there. Alright, we are back at it today. I'm gonna get this all finished up. Still gotta run to Home Depot and pick up the last piece of trim. Got tack nail that in there. Get some wood glue or wood filler. This is going on today. Once I figure out how I want to do that. Whoop. Looks kind of dumb, but maybe if I sprayed it black it'd look better, but it also kind of matches the floor. Conundrum. I'll just leave it for now. Figure it out later. Oh, and got some brackets there for the barn door, which you'll be seeing very shortly. Alright, next up is my cutting board. Me and my buddy Scott made this back when I lived in the school bus. You can see a lot of this in the school bus, and some of my older vlogs, you actually have a whole video of us building this. If I remember, I'll link it. But yeah, I'm gonna put. I got these. They'll go on the back on the barn doors, which I'll show you later. So I'll get these mounted to this. Then I have to go to Home Depot, pick up some bolts for the back of these because I'm going to drill them into the metal barn door in the back. And I got to stop at REI, come pick it up. Some cool stuff. I don't think 1 inch is going to do it. I will have to get 1/2 inch number 8. More reason I go to Home Depot then. So just gonna have to wait until I get back. Bummer. It's usually how these things go. I just got back from Home Depot and REI and Fred Meyer and get gas. There's a whole bunch of freaking stuff. So found the bolts and everything I'm gonna use. So now I'm just gonna attach it and get this going. These should do it. Nailed it. Oh wow. Look at that. Freaking broke it right off. Let's go see if we can get it on there. Pretty good. Voila. I definitely didn't think about measuring this to that, so we're just winging it. See if it closes without touching anything. Fuck. That's not good. Just breathe through it. With the shot. That would have been beautiful. I suppose I'll just take it all apart and I'm just going to deal with it tomorrow. I don't have the mental endurance today to deal with this. Should have done my due diligence and have tested it out, all the things. But I'm going to be honest, I've been just really stressed out. So, we'll get this figured out. Alright, day 4. New me, new mindset. Here we go. So, I've learned that this fits best at the very top corner here. I'm going to send some holes, bolt them up on the back here. And then test fit that. Great. Out of battery. Should have charged it last night. But that's not what was on my mind. Come on, a couple more. You can do it. Alright, I'm gonna let this charge for a little bit. Lord help me. That's gotta be bigger. Just give me a little bit. Yeah. There we go. Smells like someone's making breakfast. It's making me a little hungry. What is your favorite breakfast? Mine for sure. Mine for sure is anything with eggs. Some kind of meat. Avocados, fruit, all of it at once. So good. Alright, piece of junk. Stay on, will ya? Just help a brother out. Getting sick and tired of dealing with this. Alright, here we go. Alright, here we go again. Okay. So far, so good. Score. And it's gonna hold this little kitchen thing in. Do you need some vegetables cut? I got you. It's a little high, but what are you gonna do? This is all I got. Perfect place to put your beer. Definitely do some chopping here, no problem. All right. Just gotta put the rest of the bolts in. At least that one and that one for now. There's really nowhere else for other bolts to go, to be honest. So it's just pretty much gonna be up there. So this is a wrap for now. I still have to put some kind of backing where all these open spaces are. So I'm gonna put some plywood here one of these days. Hoping to visit my buddy Scott where this was built. He's got a ton of woodworking tools. So I'm hoping while I'm there, I'm gonna get that last little bit of trim done on my step and maybe tackle the ceiling. I don't know yet. A lot of you guys gave me some good ideas. I'm gonna try and implement as many of them as I can. So yeah, that's probably the next video would be like finish the step, even though it's pretty much done. Starting the ceiling, maybe. Oh yeah, and I got this other thing that I picked up at REI that I can't tell you yet. That's gonna probably happen hopefully next video. Depends on when this other piece is supposed to come in. But yeah, this is cool for now. I've been thinking about this for a long time, so I'm glad it's done. It's gonna make cooking a little easier. And yeah, I just need to clean my van out because today is the last day at Brenda's dad's house, and we will be spending the night at Cracker Barrel. And I'll be going to Mount Hood to film a tour on Sunday. Work for another YouTube channel called Tiny Home Tours. I think I mentioned it before. So I'm gonna make a whole video on kind of how that works. And it should be fun because there might be snow out there too, so should be a good video. That's gonna be coming out in probably the next couple weeks. Still gotta make it. Alright, this is done. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, wherever. Leave me some notes if you want to see something specific, if you want me to talk about something, whatever. Let me know. See ya.